Welcome to the ISE Barcelona, the annual tech show for the systems integration and audio-visual industry. So let's find out what's happening in 2026. Well, it's day one of ISE Barcelona 2026. Here we are with Jon at PTZ Optics. PTZ Optics, Jon, all started with AV integration 15 years ago, but you have come a long way. Bring us up to speed.
That is right. Yeah, so our parent company, Haverford Systems, started about 40 years ago selling projectors, if you can believe that, fixing and selling projectors. Now we've come such a long way where over about 14 years ago, we actually made a PTZ company where we dive deep into manufacturing cameras, and now we've seen the world explode with visual reasoning and AI and computer vision, and we're so happy to be a part of it and spreading the word about PTZ cameras.
And all of those markets and verticals, you have embraced them all. You have something for everyone, it would seem.
Oh, absolutely we do. So obviously people know PTZ Optics for our great houses of worship productions, but we go across the board, right? Whether it's conferencing, industrial manufacturing, whether it's healthcare or even education, we have a camera that fits every solution.
And just even looking at the booth, which is very busy at the minute, but we can see you've got it very easily laid out. Talk us through what we can actually see this year. What are you showcasing specifically at ISE?
Yeah, absolutely. So of course we have our Audio-Technica microphone over there where we're demonstrating voice tracking with our cameras. So voice tracking allows you to use either one camera or multiple cameras to instantly switch between a speaker in the room. So with a beamforming microphone like Sennheiser, Shure, Audio-Technica, you can integrate with just our camera and then instantly bounce the one camera or multiple cameras around to instantly control your setup in a conference room or boardroom or even in a courtroom. So plenty of options when it comes to voice tracking with us.
Jon, tell me about your industrial offering.
Yeah, so we now have a Move 4K. It's the same latest and greatest 4K 60 FPS with multiple outputs and great automation, but now we're really pushing the industrial manufacturing market because now we have a highly visible camera that you can install all throughout, use a great partner like Detect It in a warehouse or a factory assembly line and monitor your assembly so you know exactly what's going on, even if the lights are off or even if no one's around.
And what are the main trends now? How do you keep up with what the customer asks you for?
Yeah. So AI is obviously that buzzword. You see it on everyone's booth here. It's kind of impossible to avoid, right? So we didn't jump on it right away because we wanted to think about what this means. What is visual reasoning and how is that going to really advance your solution? So, of course, a lot of camera companies say, we have AI, but it's just simple auto tracking. Of course, we have incredible automation, group tracking, group framing, incredible auto tracking, but we are now diving into visual reasoning, understanding exactly what the camera sees and commanding it with your voice or asking it to track a specific object. So we're looking into the future and seeing exactly what the video is seeing and how we can orchestrate all of the cameras to work together in that way.
And do you have a product at all, or you're working towards it? Or?
We're working towards it. So in the next month or so, we're going to show off a tool that's going to show basically the endless possibility of what AI can do with a robotic camera. Because at the end of the day, they are robots, right? And we are controlling a robot with a lens, and that has a lot of power. So we're going to have all sorts of great multi-automation and incredible control now with AI.
Okay, then looking ahead, crystal ball gazing time, in a year's time, will that be here?
Oh, you will definitely be here. Yeah, you will see some really cool AI advancements from us this year from PTZ Optics. And we also have a great new product here at our live streaming station as well. That's the PowerLink. So it's allowing to take your PTZ camera to a full new level by being completely wireless. So over PoE, you can power and connect to a Wi-Fi source, and that works with not just our cameras, but any PTZ camera that accepts PoE.
So wireless, I mean, the customers must love that.
Oh my gosh, they do, yeah. So like I mentioned earlier, houses of worship is a huge market for us, and they really love just not only how accessible and easy our cameras are to use, but just the incredible picture quality that you get from our cameras. The problem with some of these older churches, especially here in Spain and in Europe, is that you can't install huge cables through massive thick walls. So this wireless solution allows you to set up a camera instantly, control your camera for 10 plus hours, or even be outside. As long as you can connect to that Wi-Fi point and signal, you'll be good to go for your remote production.
PTZ Optics is obviously based in the United States, in Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
Have you cracked Europe?
Oh, we have certainly cracked Europe. We have an incredible sales leadership team. We just hired someone here directly in Spain. He's great, and we're going to go to new heights this year, really through the international market. So we're really excited about this year and moving forward.
Others have talked a little bit about budgets and tight budgets. What are you feeling?
Well, yeah, of course, the way the environment is and the way the market is, it's fluctuating. But we are here to make an impression. We have PTZ in the name. We are going to make a splash no matter what our budget is.
Of course you are, Jon. Thank you so much and good luck with the show.
Thank you so much. You guys have a great show. Thank you guys.